Welcome to the front squat tutorial. So we've done a back squat, and now for some of you, maybe this is in your program or you just need an alternative to the back squat. So they're very similar in activation, so don't get caught up in what is better than the other. Some people absolutely can't do back squat for just not feeling comfortable with it, so this is an alternative. So what I'm gonna do, of course, is make sure that when I'm under the bar, I can just pop right up. This is about shoulder height for me. So I am going to use a clean grip. That's the one I prefer. I'm going to show you another one as well. I'm going to take two fingers here, and I'm going to start at the knurling of the bar. I'm going to come under, and I'm basically going to sit this bar on the little groove in my shoulders, pop up, step back. Elbows stay straight ahead, and come down and come up. So I want you to fight for these elbows to stay up, up. And please realize that there is not a ton of weight being held by these two fingers. If it's sitting where it's supposed to be, and yes, you may feel pressure in your neck, totally normal, and you'll get used to it, but you're not holding all of that weight with your fingers. You are literally holding it with the groove across your shoulder here, and that's what, you know, it's not the most comfortable thing in the world for some people, but like I said, you can really get used to it. Yes, I feel pressure in my neck, but not so much that it's hurting me. It's just a weird sensation. So elbows straight ahead, back up. Another point to add on the clean grip when your elbows are straight out in front of you is make sure again that you fight for those elbows to stay up, because if you're squatting down and your elbows are coming down at the same time, your back starts rounding, and it's just not a good combination. So if mobility is an issue, and it is for a lot of people, there is another way to do a front squat, and that's what I'm about to show you. This is called the crossover grip, and here's what it looks like. So when I approach the bar for the crossover grip, I'm going to put the back of my thumbs together, hands out like this, so they're touching here. I'm going to find the center of the bar right here, and I'm going to come around, and again the elbows stay forward, and you're going to find that little groove in your shoulders here. Pop up, step back, keep those elbows up, squat, come up. This is just a much easier way. It just doesn't take as much effort to use this grip. So if it just doesn't feel natural for you to hold that clean grip, the crossover grip is an excellent alternative.